limits and derivatives. Limits and the derivatives. In the previous discussion, I gave the explanation of what is the importance of this limit and the derivatives and what is the calculus. What is the calculus? Calculus is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of changing. If the one quantity changes continuously, then we apply these limits and the derivatives. Therefore, there we write always a tends to. We write this one as a tends to. X tends to A, X tends to 2, X tends to 2, X is not equal to 2. X may be greater than 2 or X is less than 2, but X is not equal to 2. That is the meaning of X tends to 2. If you say X tends to 5, X is not equal to 5, X may be greater than 5 or X may be less than 5. If it is a less than 5, LHL, less than 5. If it is a this, then we call this one as a RHL. And this is right hand side greater than left hand side less than, because if you take a 2 less than 2, we write this one as a 2 minus 0, greater than 0, 2 plus 0. Here it is a X is less than 2, here X is greater than 2. This is your LHL and it is RHL. Here also if you take a number line 5 minus 0, and here it is a 5 plus 0, right? Here X is less than 5 and here X is greater than 5, but here it is exactly 5. This is left hand limit and this is right hand limit. Here also it is a left hand limit and it is a right hand limit. Therefore we say X tends to 2. Andra ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 2, ಎಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಕಡೆ ಹೊಂಟಾಗ ಉತ್ತರ ಅದರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪಾಪಡ್, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾಪಡ್, ಕರದಿದ್ದ ಪಾಪಡದ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ πr² ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪಾಪಡ್ ನೀವು ಕರಿಯಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ, continuous change in the value. So that is what the limit and the derivative. Therefore exactly 2 we cannot take. Continuous there will be a change. ಕರಿಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸೈಜ್, ಕರದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಜ್. Therefore less than and greater than. Suppose it is a value less than that 2, less than A, left hand limit, greater than A, right hand limit. And here also less than 5, left hand limit, greater than 2, right hand limit. With the help of this we have a definition. What is that definition? I write that definition here. ಏನಂತ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮದು definition? If x tends to A, f of x tends to L. x A ಕಡೆ ಹೊಂಟಂಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ L ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. How to write mathematically? Limit of f of x as x tends to A is equal to L. This is what the limit. This is what the definition. And here we have the two. One is a left hand limit. One is left hand limit. What is this left hand limit? Left hand limit means the value of A, the value of this x must be less than A. If you take this number line, this is A, we can take the value less than A, therefore we write this one as a minus 0. Here we write that is 0, A plus 0. Here x is less than A, here x is greater than A, and we write this one as a LHL, left hand side. this one as a RHL, this is the mean. Left hand limit means the same one, the limit of same f of x, x tends to, by taking the values less than a minus 0 is a, but meaning of this is it takes the values less than a, its answer is equal to how much? L. This is the left hand limit. And one more is there, that is called right hand limit. So right hand limit, in right hand limit, it takes the values greater than a. How do you write? Limit of f of x, it takes the values greater than a, that is also equal to how much? L. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ a ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆಯರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, a ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀರಿ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. If it takes the values greater than a, then you call that one as a right hand limit. Less than 2, greater than 2, less than 5, greater than 5. Exactly 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ indeterminate ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you write f of x is equal to x square minus 4 divided by x minus of 2, f of 2, it means that put exactly x equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 2 minus 2, 0 by 0, f of 2 is 0 by 0, this is called, what is this? Indeterminate form. What we call this one as a IDEF. This is not the answer. But if you write f of x as x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, x square minus 2 square divided by x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2 divided by x minus 2, we cancel these two, it is equal to what? F of x. We are cancelling, it means that x is not equal to 2. In this case, f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, it is equal to how much? 4. This is correct. It means that as x tends to 2, answer f of x tends to how much? 4. ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? x square minus 4x minus 2 x equal to 2 ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 0 by 0 indeterminate ಬಂತು, ಇದು ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು x square minus 4x minus 2 I write the factors, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they should, x should not be equal to 0. If you are cancelling means x is not equal to 2. If x is not equal to 2, answer is 4. ಅಂದರೆ x ಎರಡಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡರ ಕಡೆ ಹೊಂಟಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? x may be less than 2 or x may be greater than 2. In this case, the answer tends to what? 4. Finally, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ conclusion, if you substitute the value, if you get the limit, that is the answer. If you get a particular value, that is the answer. If you get a 0 by 0, that is not the answer. In such cases, we have to write the factors and all, we should write the answer. Okay, now I take a discussion. This is what the introduction. ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆವರೆಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ 0 by 0 ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. 0 by 0 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, limit of f of x, read it as x tends to a, answer tends to what? L. If it takes the value less than a, then it is a left hand limit. If it takes the value greater than a, that tends to right hand limit. But these two must be what? Same. ಎರಡು ಎದ್ರ ಕಡೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, L ಕಡೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Then only we say LHL is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So okay, this is what the discussion. Now I take some general problems to solve this. Then you will come to know. So these are the exercises. I solve some more problems not given in your book, because to understand the calculus and limits, the problems given in your books are not enough. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. Now I take some general examples, then I go for one theorem. Today it is our discussion. Right. Now I take some examples to understand better. ಏನಂದಂಗಾಯಿತು, ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ 0/0 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then we get a one number, then that is what the answer. Even 0 is also a answer. Remember, 0 ಬರಲಿ ನಡೀತೈತಿ, ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, 0/0, which is called indeterminate form. Now I take some examples, general examples to make you more perfect. Therefore put the heading to make you more perfect. That is concept. Yes, now I take examples. First one, f of x is equal to x square minus 25 divided by x minus of 5. Put x is equal to 5. F of 5 is equal to 5 square minus 25, 5 minus of 5, 25 minus of 25 divided by 5 minus of 5, 0/0, IDF. This is not the answer, f of 5. Then what? Therefore, f of x is equal to x square minus 25 divided by x minus of 5. It can be written as x square minus 5 square divided by x minus of 5, x minus of 5, x plus of 5 divided by x minus of 5. X minus of 5, x minus of 5 cancels. It means that x is not equal to 5. Therefore, f of x is equal to how much? X plus of 5. Now I substitute, put x equal to, now find, put x equal to 5. F of 5 is equal to 5 plus 5. The answer is how much? 10. F of 5 is 10. It means that as x tends to 5, f of x tends to 10. This is what the correct. Exactly 5? No. X either kade hontanga, the answer tends to 5. I think there is no doubt about this. Now I give you example, I give you homework for this. I write some of the examples and I give you some homework. Take the homework, you try these problems, similar type of the problems I give you as a homework. Homework you write, you practice whether you will get the correct answer or not. First one is y is equal to, or f of x is equal to x square minus 9 divided by x minus of 3. Y is equal to x cube minus 27 divided by x minus of 3. Okay. Okay. At x equal to 3. At x equal to 3. Y is equal to, take one more example, that is x square minus 64 divided by x minus 8 at x equal to 8. Y is equal to, take one more example, x raised to 5 minus 32 divided by x minus 2 at x is equal to 2. In all the cases, if you put 3, you get a 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0. But write the factors, you get the answer. If you write the factors, you get the answer. Now, otherwise I take one example. So, take the last one. If you take the last one, or I take one different example only. Another example, y is equal to, say, x raised to 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 4 at x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, y is equal to y, or you can write this one, 2 raised to 4 minus 16 divided by at x is equal to 2 only, x minus 2, okay, at x equal to 2, x minus of 2, 16 minus 16 divided by 2 minus 2, that is 0 by 0, that is what, IDF. But then how do you write? Y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2, y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 is how much? 2 is multiplied itself 4 times. 2 4s are 8 and bardu. 2 is multiplied itself 4 times, 16 divided by x minus of 2. So, in this case, what we get? We write the factors. So, we write the factors of this, but you don't know the factors, how to write the factors of this. But if you write the factors and simplify this one, x minus 2 cancels, x minus 2, and here it is a x minus 2, and then this case we get a factors. You can cancel x minus 2. If you simplify, then you get the answer 4x cube, that is 8, 8 4s are 32. How the 32 comes? That is calculation. Therefore, you try these 3 problems you can try. Leave about this one because you don't know the expansion of x raised to 5. I am going to take it later. I write the answer for this. Answer of this one is x square means it is a 2x, it is a 6, and it is a 3x square, 9, 27, and the answer of this one is 16. This is what your homework. You try this one. This is another example. Leave it. You only try this. It is enough because I take another model problems. This is a model number 1. In this model number, you have the answer. But for this, it is a little complication for you because you don't know the expansion of x raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. For that, we require the theorem. Yes. This is the one example. You can write this one as a model number 1. You can write this one as a model number 1. In model number 1, we have one example and homework. Take this one. Try these problems. Okay. Now I take a model number 2. Now I take a model number 2. F of x is equal to, right, x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 2 at x equal to 2. What happens? F of 2 is equal to, okay, or you can write this one as a y. It is a y. 2 square 5 into 2 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 2, 4 minus 10 plus 6 divided by 0 It is 0 by 0. IDF, no. Then f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. We know how to write the factors of this, your SSLC. X square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Product must be 6. ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ 6 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮೊತ್ತ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. 3 2s are 6, 3 2 5. X is common, x minus 2, minus 3 is common, x minus 2, x minus 2 outside, here we get a x minus of 3. It means that it is equal to this. F of x can be written as, it is nothing but x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus of 2. We can cancel these two. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to, it is a x minus of 3. Now you can write, you are cancelling, it means that x is not equal to 3. F of 2, because at x equal to 2, put x equal to 2, we get f of 2 is equal to 2 minus 3. Answer is how much? Minus 1. And this is another example. Take two examples, one model and the second model. This is the first model and this is the second model. Once again, in this expression f of x, x square minus 5x plus 2, if you put x equal to 2, we get 0 by 0. If you write the factors and if you cancel the factor, you are cancelling the factor, means that they are not equal. It means that it is not equal to 3, x minus of 2. So if you put x is equal to 2, then automatically answer is minus of 1. Again I give you the homework for this. Homework, try y is equal to f of x, x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x minus 4 at x equal to 4. One example is enough. Another one is y is equal to f of x. Take one more example. X square minus 8x plus 12 divided by x minus of 6 at x equal to 6. In both of the cases, if you write 4, definitely you get a 0 by 0. But if you put 0 by 0, but if you write the factors, the answer of the first one, that is 8, it gives the answer 8, and this one, that is equal to how much? 12. You try, this is another example. If you write exactly 3, exactly 4, if you write exactly 4, definitely you will get 0 by 0. But if you write the factors, you get 8. If you put exactly 6, you get answer 0 by 0. If you write the factors, you get answer 12. You try, this is second example. Okay. This is what the second one. Take a note of this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ x equal to 2 ತುಂಬಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ 0 by 0 ಬತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದರ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೋದು. SSLCಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ. ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ದಂಡಿದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಡುವಿಂದು. x minus 2 x plus 3 ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಅಂದರೆ x is not equal to 2 ಅಂದಂಗಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ -1. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ. 4 ತುಂಬ್ರಿ 0 by 0ನ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ, ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 12, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 7. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 8. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 12, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 8. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ತಾವೆ 6 2s, you will get the answer 12. You try these two examples. Right. Okay. This is what basic work to make you more perfect about the concept. Final conclusion, the last statement. In the example, if you put the value, if you get a 0 by 0, that is not the answer. Write the factors, cancellation, whatever you get the answer. We write in another way, that is called what? The limits. Okay. Yes. Now the discussion, that is about the main problems. Whatever we have written, we write in the language of calculus, that is what? Limit. Now I take an example. Now therefore I take this one as a model number 3, that is illustrated example number model number 3. Limit of x square plus 2x plus 1 as x tends to 1. What we have to do? Very simple. The problem is x square plus 2x plus 1 as x tends to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Once you start substituting the value, don't write this limit. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆಗಳು ಇದನ್ನು y ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 4. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, 0 by 0 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ x square minus 25 divided by x square minus 3 as x tends to 5. This is 1, this is second. Andre bele tumbudu. Therefore we write the problem once again. X square minus 25 but x minus of 3 as x tends to 5. It means that put x is equal to 5. 5 ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ರಿ? 25, or I write it clear, 5 square minus 25 divided by 5 minus 3, 25 minus 25 divided by 2, 0 by 2, answer is 0. This is correct. 0 is correct. 0 by 0 ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು? 0 by 0 ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. 0 is answer. This is what the answer. Take one more example. Problems are very few. ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERT ಬುಕ್ಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇ x square minus 5x plus 6, x square plus 2x plus 9 as x tends to 1. Put or write the problem once again. Limit of x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x square plus 2x plus 9 as x tends to 2. Put x equal to how much? 1. ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 5 ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9. Simplifies 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. It is a 12. 1 by 6. Yes, this is what the answer. 0 by 0 not the answer. Other than that 0 is also answer. But ಏನು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು 0 by 0 ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಾಯಿತು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತವ್ರಿ, ಬೆಲೆ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಏನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ x cube plus 4x as x tends to 2, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ x square plus 1 divided by x cube plus 5 as x tends to 1, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 as x tends to 0. ಬಡ ಬಡ ಬೆಲೆ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8, 8, 6, 14, 8 plus 8, 16. Its answer 1, 2, 6, 1 by 3. The answer of this, it is also 1 by 3. It is also what? The homework. Okay. Directly, if we start with the NCERT problems, you cannot understand because very limited things are given. Therefore, you should practice like this. Then you will come to know. This is what the model number 3. Okay. Then what is your conclusion? If there is a problem, then put the value. If you get a one number, then that is the answer. If you get a 0 by 0, that is not the answer. That time you have to write the factors. Right. Okay. Now I take a theorem. Using that theorem, we write so many problems. Right. Now I write the theorem, important theorem. Theorem number 1. Limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a is equal to n into a raised to n minus of 1. The first theorem is limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a is equal to n minus of 1. Okay, we start. Limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a. Put x is equal to a. This is what your proof. It is very important theorem, compulsory question, star mark, important. If you put x is equal to a, ಯಾವಾಗ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, don't write the limit. If you are substituting the value, you should not write the limit. A raised to n minus a raised to n, a minus of a, 0 by 0, IDF, therefore this is not the answer. Then what? Then we continue. Limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a. We have to write the factors of this. All of you know the expansion of this. Expansion of this It is a formula x minus a x raised to n minus 1 plus x raised to n minus 2 into a x raised to n minus 3 into a square dash 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 a raised to n divided by x minus of a. For that you should know this rule. What is that? X raised to n minus a raised to n is equal to, what is this? X minus a x raised to n minus 1 plus x raised to n minus 2 a raised to 1 plus x raised to n minus 3 a raised to 2 dash 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 dash. The last one is a raised to n. You by heart this one. This is one formula. Okay. Okay. Once again the limit. If you put x equal to a raised to n minus a raised to n, therefore 0 by 0. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 0 by 0 ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಏನು? We have to write the factors. I write the factors of this ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು. X minus of a, another one is here as x tends to a. Now I cancel these two. Limit of x raised to n minus of 1 x raised to n minus 2 into a x raised to n minus 3 into a square dash 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 a raised to n minus of 1 a raised to n minus of 1. Here also the formula a raised to n minus of 1. As x tends to a. Write the factors, cancel, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದದ್ದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದೇನೆ. Now what we get? Limit of x raised to n minus 1 plus x raised to n minus 2 into a, the same one I am writing, x raised to n minus 3 into a square dash 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 a raised to n minus of 1 as x tends to a. Now put x is equal to a. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, then stop writing the limit. Once you make the substitution, stop writing the limit. It becomes a raised to n minus 1. Wherever you find x, write a. X a raised to n minus 2 into a ಅಂದರೆ a raised to 1 plus a raised to n minus 3 into a square plus a raised to n minus 1. a raised to n minus 1, it is also, you know this formula? ಯಾವುದು formula? a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Therefore it is a raised to n minus 2 plus 1. It is a raised to n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus 2 dash 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 a raised to n minus 1. Therefore it is a raised to n minus 1. It is also a raised to n minus 1. It is also a raised to n minus 1 dash 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 a raised to n minus 1. How many terms are there? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ? this how many terms? n terms. ಈಗ 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 2 16 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 2 14. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 14. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರ ಏನು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We write 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Therefore, all are same. How many terms are there? N. Therefore, 7 times 2. In this case, n times this. I write this one as a n into a raised to n minus of 1. Therefore, limit of x raised to n, the answer here, limit of x raised to n a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a is equal to n into a raised to n minus of 1. This is what your answer, and this is the proof, and which is our result. X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a is equal to n into a raised to n. It is a 5 marks theorem. It is for 5 marks. Remember, it is a one of the simple theorem. This is the basic of the basic theorem. Ida ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಇದ ಥಿಯರಮ್ನಾಗ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್. Once again I repeat, limit of theorem number 1, limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a is equal to n into a raised to n minus of 1, we have to prove. Procedure, limit of, we write this, put x equal to a raised to n minus a raised to n, a by a, indeterminate. Now, if it is an indeterminate, then we write the factors. X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a, I write the factors of this. Formula, it is a formula is there. Formula ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ a square minus b square, a square plus b square, a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, like this it is a one formula. ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೋದ್ರ x minus of a and this. x minus a cancels, we get this much. Okay, after cancellation. I repeat the same. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. The same. Cancellation ಆದಮೇಲೆ again we try, put x equal to a. ಈಗ 0 by 0 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Cancellation, put x equal to a. Wherever you find x, write a. x a raised to n. a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, m plus n, m plus n, a raised to n minus 1, a raised to n minus 1, a raised to n minus, a raised to n minus of 1. Therefore, n into a raised to n minus of 1 is the answer. Therefore, limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a is equal to n into a raised to minus 1. This is very important identity. This is the main problem. This is the main formula. We use this formula to solve the problems. It is a compulsory question in your examination, and you practice this, definitely it will come. No doubt. Okay. Now I solve some problems based on this formula. I write some problems. We get the answer or not. We will see. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಮ್? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, right. Now I take a problem. Limit of x square minus 4, the first problem, x minus of 2 as x tends to 2. idna madidivalla. Put x is equal to 2. 4 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2, 0 by 0, IDF. This is not the answer. ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. x square minus 2 square ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟು. ಈಗ ಬೇಡ, ಈಗ ಥಿಯರಮ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 as x tends to 2. This is equal to, it is of the form x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a. X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a. X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a. What is this? N into a raised to n minus of 1. N is how much? 2. A is how much? 2. N is 2 minus 1. If you simplify 2 into 2, answer is how much? 4. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? 4 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Therefore, as x tends to 2, the answer tends to how much? 4. Once again, x square minus 4x minus 2, put x equal to indeterminate form. Then I write x square minus 2 square x minus 2. Then this is same form. Then I apply the formula n into a raised to n minus of 1, we get the answer. Take the second one. Limit of x cube minus 27 divided by x minus of 3 as x tends to 3. What is your procedure? Put x is equal to 3. Once you are substituting the value, don't write the limit. It is 3 cube minus 27 divided by 3 minus of 3. 27 minus 27 divided by 3 minus of 3. 0 by 0. IDF. Then what we do? Then we apply the theorem. How to apply the theorem? Therefore, limit of x cube minus 27 divided by x minus of 3 as x tends to 3. Limit of x cube minus 27 can be written as 3 cube divided by x minus of 3 as x tends to 3. Now it is of the form x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a. What is the answer? N into a raised to n minus of 1. Formula. You know this formula. Formula is here. N into, that is n into a raised to n minus 1. 3 into 3 square, right? Sir, 3 into 9 it is. Answer is how much? 18. Take one more example. I give you number of examples because as I have told, the problems given in your book are not sufficient to understand the concept. X raised to 5 minus 32 divided by x minus 2 as x tends to 2. What is your first procedure? You only decide. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ? First put x is equal to 2. Limit of once you are substituting the value, don't write the limit. 2 raised to 5 32. 2 minus 2, it is a 32 minus 32 divided by 2 minus 2, that is 0 by 0. IDF. No. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಒನ್ x raised to 5 minus 32 divided by x minus 2 as x tends to 2. Restart. Limit of x raised to 5 2 raised to 5. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Don't say 2 raised to 5 is 10. 2 raised to 5 means 2 is multiplied 5 times. X minus of 2 as x tends to 2. Now it is of the form. What is the formula? Limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a. What is that? N into a raised to n minus of 1. Now it is of the form x raised to n, a raised to n divided by x minus of a as x tends to a. Therefore, the answer is n into a raised to n minus of 1. 5 into 2 raised to 4. 5 into 2 raised to 4 is 16. The answer is how much? 80. 0 by 0 procedure is very simple. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ, 0 by 0 ಬಂತು, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Again apply the form, you get a theorem, write the answer. I think everything is clear now. Now I give you the homework, because homework ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. homework, limit of x raised to 4 minus 4 raised to 4 divided by x minus of 4 as x tends to 4. 4 raised to 4 ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. 16, 64, 64 4s are 16, 216. You can write it as a 216. Second, it is what your homework. Take one more example. Limit of x raised to 5, x raised to say 3 minus 125 divided by x minus of 5 as x tends to 5. Take the second one. Homework number 3, limit of, I take one more, say x square minus 625 divided by x minus 25 as x tends to 25. You try this one as a homework. Shall I write the answers? The answer 4x cube 216. This one 3x square 25 75. This one 50. These are the answers. These are what? Answers. And it is a homework. I have solved some example. You can take them as a illustrative examples. You put the heading as IE, illustrative examples. Hereafter I call them as a IE. IE means examples. Therefore it is a IE number 1. This is illustrative example number 2. This is illustrative example number 3. These 3 problems you observe carefully. You try the 3. Totally I have given number of problems as a homework. The first model 1 and 2, they are the basics to understand the concept better, and these are based on the theorems. Tomorrow I take a CET techniques, how to write shortcuts, how I write answer directly. That is your question. How to write the answer directly. For that we have some shortcuts. In the next class I continue that shortcut. Thank you.